Alright everyone, we're at the Haas Garden here, checking out how things are growing, and alright, let's get started. So, come over closer here, we got the pineapples we planted and our banana. Big leaves starting to unfold, looks like it's going to make it. Looks like this one's going to make it for sure. And we have an amaranth here. This is a small amaranth, it's a volunteer, and if you notice it has big thorns on it, big sharp thorns. And so because it has thorns, I'm going to pull it out. There's another amaranth that grows, and it has no thorns at all. And that's the one that we want. So we're going to pull that one out. And we got some weeds too. The weeds are starting to pile up a little bit. And stuff. Go ahead and shake off the roots, make sure you get the soil off there. And then always leave your weeds right nearby, because every time we pull out a weed or do anything like that, we lose a little bit of nutrients. So we want to leave those nutrients in there. It took a lot of nutrients to grow this plant from this soil right there. So if you leave it right on top, then it'll just go right back in there. Alright, our plumerias are blooming. We got some plumerias, and let's see. The colo's doing really well. We planted this back in March maybe, and we got our cherry tomatoes. Somebody had donated. I never really knew who it was, but let's go ahead and pick them. You can pick them when they're orange, pick them when they're red. Best when they're red, but we're going to pick them a little young anyway because I'm not here all the time. Yeah. Alright. So, I also noticed here we got a little bit of something eating this slug. Let's see how the bottom has been eaten up. Could be a slug or something like that. So it's good to always wash these vegetables really well, or even cook them in a stew or soup rather than eating it raw. So you always have the possibility of rat lung. The avocado looks beautiful. Remember we added a bunch of mulch to the bottom here? And it's loving it. It's also growing some beans. We have some beans growing here. They're trailing out and they're trailing up, trying to climb up the tree. So pretty soon we'll be able to pick beans off this tree. And there's the tomatoes. Let's see, the beans are traveling out here. There's a big bean right there. A couple big beans. These are already turned to seed for the most part. This one's still a little soft maybe. Could throw this in there for something to eat. Oh, this used to be completely covered with beans, but now it looks like it's falling over, or the beans are working their way out. And here's our tarp we had to cover up all the weeds that we had. Let's see more beans here. Well, it's definitely growing a lot of new flowers, but not many beans on it right now. Okay. Cool. Kind of damage we're doing under here. We got these things covering up so we don't have to pull the weeds. Look at that. That stuff. Now check it out. What happens? Normally weeds are really hard to pull, but this stuff comes right out. The whole thing just comes right on out. So when they get in there, we leave a little bit longer. I'm not going to do that today. We can get in there, we can plant some more food. Come into a garden near you. Alright, let's look at our permaculture stuff. We've got avocado trees growing here. If we come inside here, we see that somebody's trying to do a splice. And this is how you do it. You set it up like this. This is another kind of avocado, probably. It wasn't this avocado, and they were splicing it onto this tree. And if it was successful, it would just start to grow like a regular tree, and it would put out a different kind of avocado. Not this particular avocado, but the avocado that they were trying to create. It looks like their start broke, and then I see there's another start here. Let's take a look at this one. Now this one made it. If you look, well, it's not doing anything yet, but it's still solid. Looks like it's tight in there. We'll see pretty soon when the buds should start growing right around here. Okay, careful. And this is our ulu tree, breadfruit. Looks like there's a little bit of clearing done around it. That'll help it grow for sure. And one used to play on those. Okay, let's go out into our little food forest here. Let's see how this is going. We put some stuff out on the remember, to see what would grow out here. This is one of the cocos we planted. Looking good. And we'll come on up here. See that our century plants are growing. This one's rooted. The little ones that we threw out here, we threw out about 100 of them. There's another one. A little bit of a rough path here. Okay. Whew. Got a big one here. Big century plant, looking good. And these are Uala. We've got some potatoes that made it. Pretty cool. And these here that kind of look like an apple. These are from the, where did they come again? So somebody threw them out here actually. Can't remember what that is. Oh yeah, look at all of them. Cool, so the centuries took off pretty well, and there's the sugar cane that we put out here. Looking really good. There's 2 piles of it. One over here as well. Wow, yeah, look at all the century plants growing in this one spot. And then we have some ground cover here. I think this is called hano grass. If that's not, this is hano. One of those two are hano. And more sugar cane. So pretty cool. Looks like we have things that we put out here. Some things are growing, some things have disappeared. Okay, let's go check out our first garden here. See how we're doing. Bananas are looking healthy. We have this new one coming up. This is going to be a banana producer here, for sure. And our Uala is taken off. And our other kind of vetch. This is a different kind of vetch. And coming here we got our pineapple. Looks like something's been trying to eat the top of this one here. I don't know what's interesting. Soil it's been. The olive bed developed here looking good. And that one banana sucker, once it gets bigger, we'll cut it down. And looks like our tomatoes finished out. 2 last tomatoes, 2 little tiny ones. We'll go ahead and pick those. And what do we got here? We've got a banana coming up. We planted it sideways, and now it's rooted and popped up a whole new one. Instead of trying to plant through the old one, it went right through the side. Pretty cool. That's sugar cane. And we got this from the pineapples. They came with the pineapples. It was a volunteer. I don't know what it is, but it's kind of cool. Looks like one of those flowering kind, and then this little one here. A couple wild ones. The old sugar cane coming back. We're pulling that out because we're going to put in the better kind, the purple kind. Remember, we'll use that to feed the plants. Here's our basil. We haven't cut the flowers in a long time, but it's still growing really nice, yeah? Pretty. This is the, what's that spinach? It's like a, I can't remember the name. And this looks like a kind of katuk. What's that spinach called? Yeah, this one's real nice. Let's see. So all the plants are doing good. I planted more pineapples here. Let's see if they're rooting. Let's just check them out here. This one has some new growth. Yeah, that's in there. Feels good. And we got our pineapples. We still haven't had any pineapples ripen yet, but they're happening. Oops. Papayas. I keep calling them pineapples. So fun. Thanks for reminding me. All right, and this is our other tomato patch. Looks like we got a lot of tomatoes on the ground that we missed. We'll just go ahead and take the other ones now. This one's finishing out. And then we have the zinnias flowers, which are pretty cool. Looks like they're pretty much eaten by the bugs. So it's not good to pick fruit off the ground to eat, so I'll leave these. We got a few more little ones coming up, but for the most part, these plants are pow. Tomatoes are annuals, which means that they finish out at the end of the year and then you have to replant them. These zinnias are looking really good. I'm sure to take a couple of those home and plant those. Put those in a vase for beauty. And let's check out this banana here. It's setting out a new leaf. Looks like it's going to make it. And then we got our beans right here too. These are the same beans we had over there. And they're just flushing. They're just taking off. So they're probably going to run up into the bushes here, and we'll have to seek out our beans. And a pineapple. Okay. And look at our table here. Things look pretty dry. These are the mints that we replanted. We cut one of these and put these in the vase on the tables for school. They would grow roots. And then we replant them like that. Maybe a wall of roots there. Pretty wild, huh? I love volunteers. It's fun. The tour of the garden. Hope you're all doing well, and I'll send you another video next week. Aloha.